Let me introduce myself. My name is Fiola Sasta Artikasari from class 11 S3. Explanation text. Flooding. Flooding is a disaster which commonly happens in large and densely populated cities. In Indonesia, the flood hits Jakarta very often and causes many victims. Then, do you know the process of how floods happen? Pay attention to the following explanation. The process of natural flooding is preceded by rain which falls to the surface of the earth. Then the rain is absorbed by the ground surface and flows the lower place. Once that condition happens, evaporation and the water appear to the surface. Evaporation and the water appear to the surface of the land. Flooding can be disastrous for humans when floods happen in an area that people like, because the water carries along objects like houses, bridges, cars, furniture, and even people. On the other hand, the process of non-natural flooding is usually caused by bad habits of humans who do not care about the environment, such as littering that can make water flow through it. This makes the water deposit in landfill, which gradually becomes more common. When water reservoirs cannot longer hold water discharge, the water then overflows out the land and causes flood. Sebenarnya dari www.sonara.id. Thank you.